here's part 2 of the clicking sound coming from the Lexus IS250 if you have your car on the fresh air mode. Go into your glove box, remove everything. You'll see this black plastic lid right here. Pull that up. This is your cabin air filter. It might just be not correctly placed back there, and here's a way you can test it. Pull it out. Don't start your car, but push the on button twice so that your AC control comes on. Now try pushing the fresh air mode. You'll see the door close and no more clicking. So what I think was happening was this little door that comes down maybe was hitting the cabin air filter because it was not installed correctly. So now push the fresh air mode, let that open up, turn off your fan, make sure this says up, slide this in, and right here you want to make sure that you push this down and this notch down so that it snaps in. And now let's see what happens. Now click fresh air mode. Turn the fan on. No more clicking. So it was not the actuator. In fact, it is just a matter of a loose cabin air filter. Thanks for watching.